Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create AI cover song. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and try to search this website, topmediai.com. Once you open this website, you can go to the AI tools and then you can select the AI song cover. Okay, and then I'm going to click on get started free. Okay, and if we want to create the AI cover song, we can enter the model we want to use. For instance, I'm just going to use Ariana Grande. Okay, just type in the model you want to use and then search for the model. Okay, and this is AI for the Ariana Grande, and I'm just going to click on it and we're going to upload our file right here. I like Ariana to cover this song. I'm going to input the song to this website and then we can click on generate AI cover. Okay, and you just need to wait for a moment guys. Okay, and now the cover song has been created. This is the result and I'm going to play the music to show you. Okay, I'm afraid of the copyright, so I'm not gonna continue it. And I guess that's all the way to create AI cover song. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.